morning, I am Mr. Walsh, the principal of Gulmarrad Public School in 1907. It is my job to discipline the boys and girls when they misbehave and give them a stroke of the cane. Cruelty to insects, 2 whacks of the cane. Making mistakes in dictation, 1. Laziness, 1 stroke. Flicking another girl, 1 stroke. Kicking another boy, 4 strokes. Swearing, 2 strokes.
Oh, you're here. You must be here to see the special artifacts of our museum. Come on in. This is my dad's robot when he was a little kid.
This is a fishing reel owned by my dad and grandpa. This is my parasol. It was brought back after World War II. My great-great uncle, he was a doctor. My gramps bring in this harmonica and it's really rusty and old.
This is my pop's old gun holder that he used for animals to shoot. This is my grandma's Jewish prayer book. Ooh, very interesting.
This is a photo of my dad when he was 15. These are Daddy's cameras and he was 16 when he got them.
This is my mum's teddy, Big Blue, when she was about 14 years old. And this is my dad's little teddy.
This was my mum's when she turned 21.
My dad's Mogolo toy.
This is my nanny's clothes when she was 40.
I've got my great-grandmother's brooch and a camera.
This is a lipstick holder and it belongs to my nanny.
I haven't seen one of these for a long time.
This is my dad's handheld video game from when he was a kid. This is my dad's photo when he was 5 and his mum gave it to him and he got this cup when he was 5 too.
This is an old typewriter. This is an old an old camera. This is my mum's hat when she went to this school. This is my mum's koala called Fatso. I have an old box that belongs to Grandpa.
That's amazing. This mincer is my dad's. I have carpentry tools and my pa, he owned this when he was a builder. This is an old shower, you put boiling hot water inside. Today I had these crystals and these are from my auntie Summer. Wow! Here we have the history of the Gulmarrad Public School uniforms.
Come from the 1990s. I came from 2005.
I'm from 2010.
We are from 2020.